Now we're going to do another quite old one, but nice and slow. Well, some of it's slow. We're going to do vertical expression. This has got 2 tags in it, wall 2 and 5 I think it is. So again, another old one, so I expect we don't need a lot of reminding of this one. So starting on the left foot, you touch your right toe across, step on it, the right foot that is, and then shuffle forward on the left. And then you do that again, so touch, step right, shuffle forward. I'll do the next bit, rock, recover on the right, recover, shuffle half of your right shoulder, the weight's on the right, and go straight into a left jazz box, over, back, side, and then touch your right. So let's just do that, so touch, step, left shuffle, touch right, step on it, left shuffle, rock and shuffle half on the right, left jazz box, touch the right, over, back, side, touch. And then if you, it's written as a turn here, so you go all the way around, so it's quarter, half, right, and then right chassé. You kind of get round, you're round for the chassé to the right, and then cross rock. And if you're not going to turn, so we've done left jazz box with a touch, we just weave to the right, side, behind, and then chassé right, cross rock. And then I've been kind of keeping it straight, but on the script, it's shuffle a quarter, there. So let's just do that left jazz box, over, back, side, touch. I won't turn this time, side, behind, chassé right, cross rock, shuffle, chassé quarter, and then you do 2 lots of half shuffles, rock and shuffle half turn, rock, back on the right, recover. Yeah, I think when I learned it, we just kind of stayed straight, but yeah, looking at the script closely, so it's nice to get these things right. Right, so let's start from the beginning again. So with the right, touch, step, left shuffle, touch, step, left shuffle, rock and shuffle half, left jazz box with a touch, over, back, side, touch. If you turn into it in 2, right, left, well, finish it off on your right chassé, cross rock, chassé quarter, rock, recover, shuffle half, rock back, recover on the right. That's the end of the dance. And also, it's not called vertical expression, it's called vertical expressions as well, which I don't think I've kind of taken notice of, because there's lots of others to the same music called vertical expression. So this one is called vertical expressions. It's good, isn't it, to sort these things out. Right, and then you have tags twice, wall 2 and 5. So the tag is, so you would have done rock, back, recover on the right, back onto the left. So the tag is always rock out to the right, recover, weave to the left, behind and cross. Rock out to the left, recover, weave behind and cross. The weight's on the left foot, then you start the wall again. So yeah, so that's after wall 2 and 4. So I just remind you that's happening. So when you've done shuffle round, yes, you've shuffled round, rock back, rock back on the right, recover, so it's rock, out, behind and cross, rock, out, behind and cross, touch, step and shuffle, whichever wall you're on. There's a nice slow track, so let's put that one on. You could look up, if you didn't know this, advanced dancers could dance this just being told. You've got plenty of time to tell you what's happening. So, vertical expressions. And 5, 6, 7, 8. When she asked I said no, right shuffle half, left jazz box with the right touch. And side behind, not turning, chassé, cross rock, shuffle, rock shuffle half, rock back, recover.
She said, hold me as close as you can, for my body's on fire.
Left jazz box.
It's just the vertical expression of horizontal desire.
All the way around for the shuffles. Now you've got a tag, you know, rock out to the right and weave to the left. Rock out to the left and right. Start again. Touch down the bottom.
Being born on this steel. And I really can't translate the way she made
Don't this time. Shuffle half, rock back.
and the music plays.
Well, it's a nice gentle one, but let's do it to the other track we do it to, the Irish one, Cry of the Celts. So let's just hope I'm coming in the right place. If I don't, I'll just start dancing. Is it now? No. I think it's coming up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, step and shuffle. Yeah, touch, step and shuffle. Rock and shuffle, half jazz box with a touch. No tags in this one though. I'm so like with the dance, not. Everybody, time for a cup of coffee number 2 now, I think. I hope you enjoyed this week's selection.